This jacket is very good. I just rode all the way from Bangalore in this jacket.
अभी नया लॉन्च वाला ये वाला है।
ये वाला है?
हाँ, नया है। प्राइस भी कम रहेगा, 4000।
ओह ओके।
ये एक नया टूरिंग जैकेट में बना दिया। ये अभी सेलेबल नहीं है, ये सेल कर सकता है।
ओह ओके, ये टूरिंग जैकेट है?
हाँ, टूरिंग जैकेट।
बट ये मैश है ना पूरा? ओके।
टूरिंग में देखो अभी एक तो पूरा टेक्सटाइल आता है।
हाँ हाँ,
उसमें काफ़ी गर्म होता है।
हाँ,
यहाँ पे टूरिंग के लिए आपको
मैश चाहिए। करेक्ट।
आपने आपको राइनॉक्स में भी स्टेल्थ एयर निकाला है।
राइनॉक्स का तो मेरा जैकेट का हो गया है 7 years। 2017 में ख़रीदा था। अब उसका जाके आर्मर वार्मर हैज़ ब्रोकन, तो मैं गया जैकेट खरीदने के लिए, तो आर्मर से ज़्यादा महंगा मेरे
जैकेट
सिमिलर ये वाला जैकेट मेरे को मिल रहा था। लाइक लेट्स परचेज दिस। एंड ये वाला कौन सा जैकेट है आपका? ये वाइट
स्टेल्थ ईवो 4।
अच्छा, क्या है, दिखा सकते हैं? ये लॉन्च हो गया या लॉन्च होने वाला है?
लॉन्च मतलब अपकमिंग 2025 लाइनअप, मतलब अभी नेक्स्ट ईयर है। तो आप तक
ये क्या ड्राई टेक है?
अभी ये सब
ये वाटर प्रूफ है?
वाटर रेजिस्टेंट रहेगा इसमें। अभी ये डिटेल्स हम लोग आज ही देख रहे हैं।
अच्छा।
आइडिया नहीं है। इन्वेस्टा कॉर्डरा रहेगा,
अगर ये आप लोग मेम्ब्रेन पूरा वाटर प्रूफ देते हैं, मैं पक्का लूँगा ये।
मीडियम, अपर मीडियम।
मैं बोल रहा हूँ अगर ये वाटर प्रूफ है, इफ़ दिस मटेरियल इज़ वाटर प्रूफ, देन यू डोंट नीड एनीथिंग ऑन दिस। बट नहीं, लग तो नहीं रहा है क्योंकि
में से लग नहीं रहा है।
हाँ।
वाटर प्रूफ जिप नहीं है।
हाँ
ये मटेरियल वाटर रेजिस्टेंट करेगा।
हाँ, लाइट रेंज के लिए इट इज़ ओके।
पानी चला जाएगा क्योंकि वो वाटर प्रूफ जिप नहीं है।
और किसी को पता नहीं है लाइक ये। हाँ, पूछो ना ज़रा सा। Is this like Grotex and
No, it's not waterproof, but
Okay.
it is a ripstop material,
Uh-huh.
and it makes it very light. And also the fabric, if you know about nylon ripstop,
Right.
so this won't tear. So if it tears till here,
हाँ.
the tear won't go fully there. It will get stuck to this next.
Oh,
box.
because there is these are
Yes.
stop.
Yes, and it is a very light fabric because it's nylon, so that makes it very light, and also it makes it very abrasion resistant.
Okay. Oh, armor is not
No,
here.
armor is not there because they're still in prototyping phase. So we
Okay.
still have to figure out the best armor for this jacket. Like you see, we have multiple brands.
Right.
So we're still figuring that out. So none of these have armors because they're all in prototyping phase, but they're
Okay.
quite close to completion.
Okay. So this is one complete set, right?
Yes.
Stealth
So
Evo
the Stealth Evo 3 that you see, this is the next version of that.
4. This is
Yes,
4.
this is 4.
And that is Stealth Evo 2, this pant.
Yeah. So the pants. So basically, we released Stealth Evo 3, and they had Stealth Evo pants.
Okay,
So
yeah.
basically, there's a set because that's why it's Stealth Evo pants. This is Stealth Evo 2 pants. So they kind of together only.
I just wish Rhinox makes it waterproof.
Yeah, I mean, I understand where you're coming from.
Yeah.
But the demand is people want waterproof,
Right.
but the demand of not having it waterproof because of the heat is higher. So we also have this Advento Pro.
Okay.
Right? This is going to be below this.
Okay.
But also a new variant.
Okay.
We tried making it waterproof many times.
Okay.
We then went out in the real world and tested it.
Uh-huh.
It's great when it rains. It's great when you're on the hills and it rains or it snows.
Correct.
Amazing. But when you're in Maharashtra and it rains, it's not the same. You're sweating like anything. Inside.
Yeah, I understand. So what many people do who have that Tai Chi wala and Grotex and everything, what they do, they have this, which is for because they will go to the mountains often, and what they have is a mesh jacket. Like I have your Stealth Evo 1.
Yes.
I have that from 7 years. So I have ridden it everywhere.
A lot of people I know have owned that jacket for years and years.
And it has I have fallen, nothing has happened. And it is still intact. And I'll keep it because that's a prized position for me. Because when my first purchase, my wife,
Absolutely.
my wife.
I'll tell you my story. The first jacket I ever bought was Gramster. And
Okay.
weird, the life has the same thing that couple of years back, Rhinos acquired Gramster.
Right.
And I'm working for the same brand.
Okay.
I mean, great.
So I recently purchased your blue Cramshaw jacket. I went to get the armor changed, but then the armor costed me around 8,000 rupees. I was like, I'll get a jacket.
Ah, right. The older one. right?
The older one.
That's right.
So I was like, it is better to change the jacket. But so the Indian brands like Rhinox, they are since ages. If you get something like that, I
No,
feel personally it is.
absolutely, it is a goal. But we can see today's day we could get every technology in the world in a jacket
Right.
and launch it at 40K. But I don't think that's what everybody wants from us, right? There will be a time.
But I think your price will be much cheaper than what others are offering.
There will be a time where we launch a full Gore-Tex, right? That will be like very, very affordable.
Okay.
Obviously affordable in terms of what Gore-Tex you have.
Right.
But it may be not the right time right now.
Right.
Maybe someday, yes.
But this jacket is looking really good,
Yeah.
even if it is slightly water.
No, it is. So there's a DWR coat on it.
Okay.
So light showers, you're okay with it. If it starts pouring down, then you might not be okay. And if you have these vents closed, so I'll tell you something about the Stealth Evo 3.
Right.
I have ridden the hills a lot of times, and the hills, I don't know if you know,
Yeah.
the
Been there.
rain is not very heavy. It's like
Right. Sometimes it's like
you're
sprinkling.
very okay with it.
Okay.
If it starts pouring down, then there's a problem. So I never would need to stop or wear a rain jacket.
Okay.
It's okay. This will be the same. The DWR coat on it will help you sustain light showers. But constant exposure to rain would not be the same. Like a Gore-Tex would help you.
And when will this release next year?
Probably in the first quarter,
First quarter.
maybe even early in that. I don't want to commit, but maybe early
I
in
am
that.
sure you
But
don't
first
want
quarter, yes, for sure.
First quarter for sure.
It'll also be the most advanced jacket that we have.
Right.
There are some materials I can't talk about, like this cordura and places. So if you see, a lot of jackets have cordura, but this has matching cordura to the color.
Right.
And a lot of things. There's like this technology of aerobus, also has hydration compatibility behind.
Okay, this one?
Yeah, it does.
Oh, okay.
It's inside, it's internal.
This jacket is really nice.
And it comes in some really cool colors. Probably this one, obviously one's going to be black. The other one's going to be a dark green color.
Okay. But I like this color.
Exactly.
Maybe I'll
That's
do
why
this.
it's out here for people to see. I think it's one of the good colors.
Right. Okay. My Stealth Evo pants trip के बीच में फट गया.
Fraying, right? Fraying. So some of the lots had that issue.
My lot had that.
Yeah.
So I had to put it in Spiti, and I was like, okay, bye. Can't do anything.
I think we've seen that now. So what we've done, and you see on the new pants, is put stretch panels. This is a stretch panel. This is not a normal pant.
Okay.
So it avoids the fraying from here. What used to happen is everything was tight here, right? And you always wanted a fit jacket.
Right.
And it's not when you're on the bike. It's when you're getting in and off the bike.
Correct.
So that's what causes the fraying here. What we did is, so this panel that you see is, so there are multiple panels, right? So it has multiple stretch panels behind.
Okay.
So वो actually stretch होता है इसका. And then there is stretch panels behind and then at the crotch also.
Right.
So and this accordion panels. These are the solutions to not letting that fray.
Nice.
So that's what we do. Like the feedback from you guys that come in, the next iteration needs to have that same thing.
I mean, like, biggest feedback is make this waterproof.
So eventually, I think there is a thing.
Like, place it in a premium bucket also.
Absolutely. Someday, I'm not denying it. We have to get there. Because then people are like, why are you not making it? But yeah, like for example, the boots. Everybody asks why I don't have boots. But eventually, we'll have to come up with it.
Correct. Nice talking to you. By the way, I'm Abhinav.
Pratik. Take care, man.
Thank you. For which bike is this?
So now it is a universal mount.
Okay.
But we'll have a new version in time. This is the new black will be available in time, so that you can mount your other top packs as well.
Okay. So is this on sale on the website?
No.
Okay.
It will be available in 2 or 3 months.
Okay.
Today,
This is also okay. This is also a universal mount.
if you can. Thank you. My apologies.
So this is also a universal mount.
Yeah, it will all be universal. The mounts.
Oh, so you have made this
Bracket.
flexible,
Exactly.
so it can mount.
Yes. This will be universal. This will be separate for depending on the motorcycle you buy.
Okay.
That's stainless steel. This is aluminium. Top of the line
Nice.
finish.
Rhinox is getting in line with others.
Trying a level best. We're doing a lot of R&D research. Excuse me. We're doing a lot of R&D and research. This is probably the second backyard we have tested and then we've introduced. And then we realized that we don't need this, we need this. So that's coming in.
And which material is that? Is plastic.
That's for now a 3D
Okay.
print.
Okay.
That will be available in the same material that you saw.
Okay. Nice. Oh, you are also coming with hand protectors.